Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. How are you doing today? I've got an interesting gist for you. Leak chat of BBNaija IK reviews. She's gone. I will find a better partner soon. IK reviews plan after Messi dump him. It is no longer news that the reality TV stars from Big Brother Naija peppered them season IK Oyema and Messi Ike shared while in the reality show is no more as all indication shows that the duo are no more a couple. In a recent turn of events, Messi aka Lambo may be having a teen with Nigerian rapper Willie XO, as in the past the duo have been seen flirting with each other on social media. Social media went berserk when pictures and videos of Messi and her new supposed boyfriend having cozy moments in London emerged online. Nigerians have trooped to Ike's page to get his response as the love of his life gets whisked away by another man, and it appears Ike seems quite indifferent about the whole issue. When asked in a private chat what his response would be, the American revealed that he has cancelled Messi and hopes to get a new partner soon. In the chat, he was asked, "Come out and address this issue because even me, I'm losing hope in you." Ike responded by saying, "What should I do? LOL, nothing can be done. I'll find a better partner." Ike is heartbroken here. I feel his pain, man. Sorry, my guy. So, guys, that's the gist. That's the news. If you were suspecting that they are no longer together, there you have it. It is now obvious they are no longer together. Ike is left alone here. I know some of us suspected from the onset that this will happen. Yeah, and it has happened. So, guys, share your comments in the comment section below. And if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, until next time.